Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious hot chocolate with dairy milk. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of dairy milk per serving, 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, and 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. A tiny pinch of salt enhances the chocolate flavor significantly. Using whole milk will give you the creamiest and most satisfying result, making your hot chocolate truly indulgent. This easy guide will help you create a perfect warm drink. Now let's prepare the base for our hot chocolate. In a small saucepan, combine your 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder with 2 tablespoons of sugar. Don't forget that tiny pinch of salt. It really makes the chocolate pop. Whisk these dry ingredients together very well. This crucial step helps prevent any lumps from forming later, ensuring your hot chocolate is wonderfully smooth and consistent. A well-mixed dry base is key to a perfect drink. Next, it's time to add the dairy milk. Slowly pour about 1 cup of milk into your saucepan with the dry ingredients. Continue whisking constantly over medium-low heat. This gentle and continuous stirring is important to prevent the milk from scorching on the bottom of the pan. Heat the mixture until it's hot and steaming, but be careful not to let it boil. Boiling can alter the milk's texture and flavor, so keep it just below that point. Your delicious homemade hot chocolate is now ready. Carefully pour the warm beverage into your favorite mug. This is where you can get creative with toppings. Add a generous dollop of whipped cream, a handful of fluffy marshmallows, or even some chocolate shavings for an extra treat. A tiny splash of vanilla extract can also elevate the flavor profile. Enjoy your perfectly creamy and comforting hot chocolate, made easily right in your kitchen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.